Thank you so much from BIZ Infotech Private Limited. Thank you so much for being here and sharing the journey that you have in mind for people at ASIRT. Let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, once again for a wonderful presentation. With this, I would not come in between your high tea. So we are moving ahead for a high tea. Just a quick announcement. We have stalls at the ground floor. Would request everybody to visit there once. There is an opportunity for you to connect with the sponsors directly. After the tea break, start after the tea break, we will have PehchanCon activity first. We have some awards to be given and a lot of fun is planned. Please be back here in next 30 minutes. It's 5:05 right now. We'll be here by 5:30 or so, and then we'll continue with the presentations ahead. Enjoy your tea. I hope you had a nice tea. I can see a very less people here in the room, so can we have another round of calling your friends? Calling your friends quickly. Everybody. I want you to give a quick call to one more person who is an ASIRT member, but he's not present in the room right now. Guys, can we call our friend which has been getting a lot of attention from you all? Okay, so back with PehchanCon. There is a photo on the screen. Whoever responds in a WhatsApp group, the right answer gets the chocolate from us. Let's see who can win that. Who is this person? Who is this? Avinash, okay. Who else? चलो अभी मैं देखती हूँ किसका ध्यान जाता है यहाँ पे. I want to see who will respond. Eyes on the screen, please. Any guesses? Ajay Patil, Avinash. Who else? Mr. India, have we got the correct answer? Yes. The person, okay, Gaurang Bhatt and Nilesh Shah has given the correct answer. Acha, Nimesh Parekh, sorry. Nilesh Parekh. Acha, Limesh, sorry. Limesh Parekh. Limesh Parekh has given the correct answer. Can we give him the prize? Where is he? Chocolate. कहाँ पे है पर Limesh ji? Okay. No, it's required for you to be in the room to win the chocolate, okay? यार क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? लिमेश जी आपको I think एक चॉकलेट मिल गया आज के दिन का, right? You have received one prize. दो मिले? Okay. Fine, the chaos is sorted now and we have given the prize and the next one on the screen. Everybody guess who is this? Respond in the group please, quickly. Respond in the WhatsApp group please, quickly. Who is this person? Ajit Pawar is the correct answer and who is the winner? Mr. Amit Shah, I think he has not won any chocolate today, so this for you. Ajit, third one for the day. Wow. So how did you prepare for this? To win this? Chaliye, next picture on the screen, please. Who is this? Who is this? I don't know. Type in a group. If you want to win a chocolate, if you think that your answer is correct, type in a group quickly. This is not allowed. अच्छा जिसका फोटो था उसको भी चॉकलेट दे रहे हैं ना हम? हाँ, please, thank you. Okay, Jayesh Sompura, who has given the correct answer? I think there are two contenders. Okay, one for Jayesh bhai. And okay, Sirish ji. One for Jayesh ji and one for Sirish ji. भाई तालियों की आवाज नहीं आ रही यार. Let's give them a. यहाँ पे जो पहले आएगा that we will consider. Okay, next one on the screen. Next one on the screen. Who is this? Who is this? Data recovery? Jignesh Joshi. Okay. Yes, sir. Any guesses? Have we got the correct answer? Mumbai data recovery. What is the correct Jignesh Doshi? Are we done? Okay. Okay. Now spot a person whom you need to guess. यहाँ पे किसको guess करना है वो game है I think. The person who is riding the horse. Gabbar Singh. Who is this? Tushar Parekh. Okay. And who has given the correct answer? Amit Shah is the right answer. Okay. And who has given the correct answer? Anybody gave the correct answer? नहीं नहीं मैंने बोलने के बाद आया. It is a googly question. किसी को कोई प्राइज नहीं मिलने वाला है. चलिए next. Who is this? Pranav Badeka. Okay, Pranav Badeka. And who has given the correct answer first? Who has given the correct answer first? Acha, it is Kaustubh Kulkarni, sir, and it's not Pranav Badeka. Kaustubh Kulkarni and Gaurav Bhatt has given the correct answer. Can we give chocolates to both of them? Can we give a chocolate to both of them? He's here. Next one on the screen quickly. Okay, who is this? Who is this? Reply in the WhatsApp group only. Okay, last 10 seconds for this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. अच्छा, संदीप जी की तरफ से अगर इसका आंसर सही मिला तो डबल चॉकलेट मिलेगा. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, lost it. It is Vimal Chitalia is the correct answer, and I think nobody could guess it. Chaliye, next one. Who is this? Type in a group quickly. Acha, Vimal sir, where are you? We would like to at least give you a chocolate. कोई पहचान नहीं पाया इसलिए 2 चॉकलेट्स दो ऐसा. If you have missed on giving chocolate to somebody like this, please let us know. Okay. Any guesses for this? Okay, have we got the correct answer? It is Nishant Mehta, and who has given the correct answer? नीलेश जी, किसने किसने सबसे शिरीष, संदीप जी, जिग्नेश भाई एब्सोल्यूट, नो 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 नो, that's not the correct answer. Sandeep bhai, who is the winner? Sorry Jignesh bhai, chocolate pending. Chaliye next. This is a googly question. Okay, who is this? Who is this? Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time up. Anybody could guess it? No, it is Mr. Karthik Kazi. And I think आप अपने लिए एक chocolate deserve करते हो कार्तिक भाई. Please grab one for yourself. And I think इससे पहले भी एक था कि जिनका कोई guess नहीं कर पाया था. Who was that? We have given chocolate, right? हाँ. Okay, can we have a big round of applause for everybody? I think they have taken out time and sent this picture so that we could all see their pictures here and have fun together. Acha, last one, there is one more. This is actually a school passport photo, huh? Passport size photo. Yeah, IT में कैसे आ गया? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. That is Jayesh Sompura. And anybody guessed it? So Jayesh bhai को हम chocolate दे देते हैं. Let's give him a chocolate. No comments. Okay, I think we are done with this. Thank you so much. Let's have a big round of applause for everybody. I hope you are enjoying this activity and having fun. Let's move ahead on our journey further, and I would now like to talk about our next space junction, and this time it is IVIT Tech Vision. IVIT Tech Vision is a forward-thinking technology company specializing in AI-powered visual intelligence solutions, leveraging cutting-edge computer vision and AI technologies. IVIT Tech Vision offers innovative products for video analytics, surveillance, and smart monitoring, enhancing security and operational insights across various industries. Let us put our hands together for the co-founder and CEO of IVIT Tech Vision, Mr. Dhaval Vora, to come over here on the stage and present the presentation and talk more about the company and what they are looking forward to as being part of ASIRT here today. So let us, मुझे तालियों की आवाज नहीं आ रही है, guys. This is not done. Mr. Dhaval Vora from IVIT Tech Vision, the co-founder and CEO, would present here in front of you. Over to you, sir. Can we pay attention to this? Everybody. Thank you.
A very good evening to everybody. After a very interesting PehchanCon session, we'll go into a bit of PehchanCon about IVIT and what we do and what we offer to you. So, it's not working. Yeah. IVIT Tech Vision was founded in 2019 by myself and my co-founder Nikhil Jain. We both have a legacy of being part of Cyberome and Elite Core. Cyberome, most of you know, has been had got acquired by Sophos. We were part of the management team in Cyberhome as well as EliteCore. EliteCore was a parent company of Cyberhome. So after natural exit from both companies, we both started this company in 2019. So what we do in Avid Tech Vision, we basically monitor people and their activities with machines as well as other people in nutshell. And how do we monitor that? We take feeds from cameras, which are typically IP-based cameras. And at the back end, we have an AI-based product, which does different things for retail outlets, for road safety solutions, for warehouse and logistics, as well as industrial solutions. So I'll not go into these in detail, but I'll directly show our product output, which will help you understand what value we create and for what reasons we are here. So industry challenges, most of you are giving solutions for surveillance as well as IT system integration solutions, right? Today, industry has a biggest challenge in surveillance with respect to cameras are deployed, but if you need PPE kit, a new camera is needed. If you need a footfall count, a new camera is needed. So there is a biggest challenge with the customer that when they deploy IP cameras or even any other cameras, they are limited to the features available in that camera. Any new feature requires an upgrade which is costlier than the camera itself. And that is what we are solving here. So our solution is a software-based solution, runs on an Intel-based commercial off-the-shelf CPU, doesn't require graphics card, it runs on a CPU, it runs on existing IP cameras, and it is make in India product. So you do not have any concern about putting it into a public domain or any government with respect to outside India product. And it is affordable, usable, and deployable at scale. Now these are three critical things. I mean, all of us have been hearing about ChatGPT and all kind of things AI can do, right? How many of these are commercial deployments at the customer place? It will be very difficult for you to find that. Why basically AI is not commercially deployed in large scale to the retail enterprises, to the enterprise ground? One of the reasons is the affordability. It requires hardware, it requires a spatial expertise, as well as it requires upgrade in the network. And that is what we are trying to solve with our customers and with our product. Second important thing in AI is how can you commit accuracy? When you go and supply product, it always tells that it is accurate, but we commit in our product 95% committed accuracy in our contract. What you see is one of our retail offering where we are showing footfall count in a large pharmacy giant in Saudi Arabia. Everybody would feel that what's the hell in just counting people, right? But there is a lot of sophistication around. Cameras have been providing footfall counts since years. I'm sure most of you have sold cameras with footfall counts, people count feature available default in that. But still there are so large enterprises in India, in rest of the world, where footfall count is still not used. Still wo security guard counter se count karta hai. You know why this is not getting mass deployed? Because basic requirements of the retail enterprise are not solved. What are those basic requirements, right? If you have a 10,000, 20,000 square feet store, probably you have 150 staff. Whether they are wearing uniform or not, they are coming in and going out multiple times in a day. So if you have a 600 odd footfalls in a day, 1/3 of the footfalls are going to be for your staff. How is that counting going to help you at the end of the day when you're trying to use that footfall to get the conversions? That is a problem that we are solving here. We exclude staff, we exclude security, which is roaming around in and out during the gate. We also exclude staff which is not in uniform. Okay? And we commit 95% accuracy in the contract. And it is a subscription-based model. So we cannot go away with any customer. If it's a perpetual, you always have a chances, paisa diya, bhai, bhul jao. No. Every month, every year, it's a subscription-based model. So that's the kind of commitment we have, and the commitment is coming because we are confident in our product. In the last 3 years, we have built product by training the models in-house, and we ensure that accuracy is achieved. Another important thing, if you go to any west side or any large retail store, right, at the entrance also there are a lot of products being kept, and there are a lot of passers-by who move around. If you go with the traditional 3D cameras, if you go with traditional footfall count, those passers-by also would get counted. So these are on-ground challenges which current traditional technologies are not solving, and which is what we have solved at a large scale. You can see the heads, right? The traditional uniform in Saudi, head is hardly visible. Still it is getting counted. So that's the level of accuracy that we have achieved in counting people. This is another, one of our another customer. Lot of staff coming with the uniform, without uniform, they are being taken care of in terms of not getting counted at the entrance. This is a pharmacy giant in Saudi. They wanted to monitor people using mobile at the billing counter when the customer is there, as per their SOP, right? Which is getting monitored at the farthest place from the camera. Another case that we have implemented is a shoplifting in a retail pharmacy store in Saudi Arabia. It's a 1200 store customer who they have across Saudi Arabia, and they have a basic modus operandi. People come in pharmacy store to purchase cosmetics, and these cosmetic items are very small but high value items, and they pick up the item and put it in their plastic bags or in their personal bags, and then they walk away. There is no RFID here. In the most of the retail outlets you will have RFID tags which allows you to monitor people going without paying or without getting the tag out. So this is a technology advantage that we have brought into the end customer, where AI is actually on the action. It is currently getting implemented in 12 commercial stores in Saudi Arabia, and you probably would get surprised. Saudi Arabia, being a very strict regime in all rules and regulations, is also having such kind of challenges compared to rest of the countries which are pretty different economies. You will find these challenges in every hook and corner, right? Second important thing, most of us, whether we are at the office or whether our customers are having warehouses, one of the biggest problem is how is night security getting monitored? How are we able to ensure that security is alive and monitoring your premises, right? So there are different solutions available in market, RFID based, biometric based, you can tag them, the route and all. Everything requires a specialized hardware, and then security guard always have a different ways to abuse it, in terms of one security guard monitoring everything around it and everybody else is sleeping. In this case, we are doing with existing cameras, and every security guard has to move around, and we track the positions, and as and when security guard does this gesture is where his attendance is getting counted. This has been implemented in one of the pharmacy company warehouse in industrial area in Ahmedabad, and this is the report that you get. So when you are paying 15,000 rupees on an average per security guard for your warehouse, you get an exact report in terms of how is your premises getting monitored with the existing cameras without any additional cost in infrastructure. We also do ANPR and speed detection in existing IP-based cameras. Current cameras available which do ANPR are very costly. They probably get charged, have a price in range of 35 to 40,000 rupees. Whereas in our case, we do it in existing IP camera in range of 8,000 to 9,000 rupees. This is a drastic difference that we have brought in with the help of AI. And same number plate detection also detects the speed. So you do not need any radar of 2D radar or 3D radar to detect the speed of the vehicle. Another area that we work is industrial automation, where we do surface inspection based thing. This is a case study that we have built where rod is getting manufactured and we are measuring threads per inch as it gets manufactured. And if there is any discrepancies in the number of threads, it reports in real time. So your quality control is being monitored real time without any human involvement. So you can see these threads are getting measured as the production is happening. Another area that we work is in the warehouses, where we count inventory or boxes that are getting dispatched at the exit gates in the warehouse. Can you just click the video, please? Yeah. So again, this is a case in one of the denim manufacturing factory, where at the dispatch gate they wanted us to count the every single denim roll that was getting put into the truck or a container, and we did it with 100% accuracy. Can you please forward the video a bit? Take it to the middle. All right. So moving on, in terms of our customers, we have retail customers like Skechers, Shree Lifestyle, and in case of highway monitoring and all, we have Adani 5 highway highway locations where our traffic violation solutions have been implemented, and other industrial automation customers. What can we offer to you as a partners? We have a very flexible pricing. We support in-premise as well as subscription-based model. Hardware implementation completely goes to the partner. Hardware that we commit is traditional Intel-based hardware, which all of you must be selling it to your existing customers. And it's a subscription-based model, so all renewals and subsequent upgrades, you are part of it as a part of the deal continuously year on year. So more renewals, more we get the upgrades, and more the revenues get shared to you as well. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much, and thank you ITCG, thank you ASIRT for giving us opportunity to present in this August audience, and we are so happy and honored to be part of this event. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for a wonderful presentation. I have a special announcement to make. Do we have them there? Okay, we'll do it in some time. Meanwhile, moving ahead with some other awards. Again, going back to the fun awards that we created. And there are 2 more categories of award, and there will be live polling. I think you know everything, how it is going to be done. So let me announce the next category of the award. And this award is for ASIRT Ka Akhbar, newspaper of ASIRT. ASIRT Ka Akhbar. Acha, we have the Dawn. Acha, first one, ASIRT Dawn of the Year. Dawn of the Year award, and the voting link has been given to you, and the contendants are Kshitij Kotak, Ajay Patil and Hiten Shah. Dawn of the Year. You need to quickly vote so that we can select the final participant and the winner. Okay, last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That is Mr. Hiten Shah. And to give away the awards, I would now like to request Mr. Jayesh Sompura to come forward on the stage and give the Nariyal Award of the Dawn of the Year from ASIRT. Well deserved, sir. Well deserved. हाँ मैं भी बोल रही हूँ अभी तो. Okay. Next award, the Akhbar. I think that's the right one now. Acha, probably my list has some. Oh, yes, I've got the right card now. That is ASIRT Gossip King Award of the Year. Somebody who is very good at gossiping. And we have Amit Shah, Tushar Shah, and Jignesh Joshi. Let's see who is well deserved now. Quickly vote, quickly vote. Quickly vote. Okay, last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's see the result. It is Amit Shah, Gossip King Award of the Year. And to give away this award, I would request Mr. Kaustubh Kulkarni to come forward and do the honors. The Gossip King of the Year award. See, I have no influence over here, okay? They have selected your name. भाई जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करते हैं the Gossip King of ASIRT of the Year, Mr. Amit Shah. Okay. There is one another prize. There is one another prize. So downstairs or at the ground floor when we had stalls, there was one stall by Gautam Enterprise and they did a lucky draw from people I think who visited their stall. And the winner, okay, before I announce the winner, I would like to request Mr. Monish Parekh to please come forward and give away the gift and the prize. Please join us on the stage. And the winner has to be present in the room, so let's see. The winner of the lucky draw is Mr. Rajesh Bhavishi. Do we have him here? Mr. Rajesh Bhavishi, who is here, yes, very much here. Please come on the stage, sir, center, and give away the award to Mr. Rajesh Bhavishi. Can we have a big round of applause? Thank you so much. Let me just tell you that there is a lot of fun, dhamal and masti pending. There are 2 more awards of fun awards to be given. Other than that, we have planned a small lucky draw for all the members and we'll do it here right away after these 2 presentations that we have. So stay tuned and be here because I'm sure there is a chance for you to win a lot of prizes here. Okay, with this, let's move ahead with our next space junction, and this time it is QNAP. QNAP system is a prominent network attached storage NAS and video surveillance solution provider catering to both home and enterprise users. Renowned for their robust hardware and versatile software offerings, QNAP empowers users to efficiently store, manage and access their data while offering advanced features like virtualization, backup and multimedia applications. To talk more about QNAP, now I would like to invite on stage Mr. Amit Kumar. Mr. Amit Kumar His profile, I would just like to brief a little. He has been associated with QNAP since 11 plus years. I have strived to create the footprints of QNAP in Indian market and responsible for sales for Pan India. So we have Mr. Amit Kumar from QNAP who is going to take it forward. Please welcome. Let's give him a big round of applause and let's hear out what he has in store for us.
Thank you. गुड इवनिंग. हमने गुड मॉर्निंग से स्टार्ट किया था, सॉरी गुड आफ्टरनून से स्टार्ट किया था, एंड दिस इज सेकेंड लास्ट प्रेजेंटेशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू give a big thank to team ASIRT. Because of them, so I am here on this dais to present our solution. And the next thanks goes to ITCG team. So there is a lot of products which are available in the market, but सबको chance नहीं मिलता है. So this would be one of the chance which I like to explore, and what are the solutions which has been offered would be explained. So सब जानते हैं कैसे बेचना है. Maybe all of them are double than my age. So everyone is good at sales. So इस presentation में what I will take is what are the advanced बोलते हैं जैसे कि strategies where we can explore our products. So I would just like to add some more points where we can explore our business opportunities and create more revenues. To start up with, people just know QNAP. So does just one question before starting my, कितने जनों ने QNAP बेचा है? Okay, I can see some hands. Okay, any NAS brand which has been sold? I can see so many hands. Okay, so I would be taking care of some of the slides. आपको answer मिलेगा why QNAP would be one of the product which you can add up in your product line. So how it can create more revenue for your company. So QNAP का full form होता है Quality Network Appliance Provider. So many people just say as QNAP, but the full form is that Quality Network Appliance Provider. So we don't compromise on quality, and the solution offering is wide product range which we have got in our in-house. So especially this particular slide, सब brand के पास सारे worldwide के presence होते हैं. What is so unique about QNAP? So just दो line मैंने red color में highlight किया है. So QNAP has got registered in Indian market since 2017. So that makes a unique point among the competition. So इसके अंदर क्या होता है, तो हमारा vision is very wide that we have got our R&D team available in Indian market, our RMA support is available, post-sales support, pre-sales support is available, plus our sales team is available. So इसमें क्या होता है, this gives you an idea that QNAP is not for the short term, and we have got a bigger vision for Indian market. So this is the office which we have in Bangalore, where we have almost 80 plus team members working on R&D. So there are so many brands which are available in the market. You just think of how many people are working. So here QNAP को बोलते हैं ना, that we have gone to the next level to create more powerful products with the software in-house, and we are available in India locally. So अभी अपन सब प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं, कैसे बेचना है, वो तो सबको जानते हैं. वे all are expert in selling whatever the solutions are available. So upcoming 3-4 slides I'll be talking how QNAP can be sold to different verticals. अभी क्या होता है, जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट आया XYZ मॉडल नंबर दिया, प्राइस दे दिया, ऑर्डर आ गया, 5% कमा लिया है. बट व्हाट exactly we need to do, we need to understand what is exact requirement of the client. तो अपन को क्लाइंट के बारे में जान लेते हैं, then we can create more business. Instead of giving a 1 lakh product, if we understand more and add product, then you can create a bigger value. 5 लाख का 10 लाख का bill of material बनाइए and earn a thick margin out of it. So one of the vertical which I would explore is IT market, जो अपन regular day to day business में अपन solution देते हैं. So there are a lot of data which relies over here. So all the partners are selling O365 license. कौन कौन O365 license बेचता है? मैक्सिमम एक कस्टमर को कितने लाइसेंस बेचा है? मैक्सिमम 600 और 550. सो 550 600 यूजर है, तो यू वुड, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है, डेटा है उनके पास, तो नेक्स्ट आइडिया आपको वो करना चाहिए कि अपन कैसे उसको स्टोरेज पोजीशन करना चाहिए. So what we do is O365 का ऑर्डर आ गया, एग्जीक्यूट हो गया, हैप्पी, बाद में रिन्यूअल पे वापस जाते हैं. बट व्हाट अबाउट द फ्यूचर बिजनेस? सर आपको वो 600 यूजर का डेटा प्रोटेक्शन, सुबह अपन ने देखा कि सोफोस ने सॉल्यूशन दिया था ऑन डेटा बचाने के लिए. नेक्स्ट वी हैड नकीवो, कहाँ से बैकअप लेना है. नाउ आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग वेयर द डेटा हैज टू बी स्टोर्ड, कहाँ पे रखना है, so that you can access easily whenever you're on the go. So QNAP would be a one repository product for you to keep all your data. So this is one of the segment where the data keeps on growing every day. तो वहाँ पे अपन को एक्सप्लोर करना है. That is one opportunity. O365 users होते हैं, email का data backups है, G Suite के users है. So where and all you are selling the existing solution, you can create an opportunity for them to sell a storage. Next, biggest market, video surveillance. अभी क्या होता है, people all sell NVRs. NVRs के अंदर क्या limitation आता है? Anyone? Storage, good answer. Second, आजकल परफॉर्मेंस भी मांगते हैं. आपके एनवीआर के अंदर बैकबोन कनेक्टिविटी क्या होता है? 10G अवेलेबल? 10G एनवीआर में कोई 10G है? नहीं है. सो QNAP, how QNAP can be a better product for you? So we have got a big product available where you can offload all the video surveillance data, 400 terabyte, 1 petabyte, 2 petabyte, 3 petabyte. You can use the hardware of QNAP and you can have a good good backbone connectivity, 1 gigabyte, 2.5 gigabyte, or 10 gigabyte, or 40 gigabyte. So these are the features which you can explore. अभी ट्रेडिशनल वे में काम कर रहे हैं अपन, एनवीआर है सर और एक रिपीटेड ऑर्डर डाल दीजिए. बट एंड ऑफ द डे उसको स्टोरेज एक्सपैंड करना होता है तो अपन उसको स्केलेबिलिटी का ऑप्शन नहीं दे रहे हैं. वी आर जस्ट गिविंग देम द न्यू सोल्यूशन. 4 एनवीआर हो गया, 8 एनवीआर हो गया, 32 कैमरा, 68 कैमरा हो गया. सो बट हाउ अबाउट इफ यू गिव अ सोल्यूशन दैट एक रिपोजिटरी है एंड मल्टीपल कैमरास, ऑल द डेटाज आर अवेलेबल इन वन सिंगल प्रोडक्ट. So QNAP would be a product कहाँ पे आपको high availability मिलेगा, where data can be available in your NVR as well as on your storage. Plus आपको वो data आकर immediately आपको play करना है. We have got all those options available. No need to invest in other accessories. This is one of the biggest market, Bombay, जो across India में अपन लेते हैं 100% media categories. 60-65% lies only. सब पीपल मीडिया के इज अवेलेबल इन मुंबई. उनको चाहिए परफॉर्मेंस, स्टोरेज, एक्सपेंशन, और QNAP हैव गॉट अ यूनिक प्रोडक्ट लाइन कॉल्ड थंडरबोल्ट मॉडल्स. कंपटीशन के कौन कौन ब्रांड पे थंडरबोल्ट अवेलेबल है विद गीगा लैंड पोर्ट कनेक्टिविटी? एनी 2 ब्रांड्स प्लीज, जिसके पास लैंड पोर्ट भी अवेलेबल है, थंडरबोल्ट भी अवेलेबल है और IP SAN भी काम करता है. एनी 2 प्रोडक्ट्स प्लीज. सॉरी, सीगेट में थंडरबोल्ट ports are available, LAN port, promise, thunderbolts are available, LAN ports, all ports should be available in single product. Exactly. आपका नंबर दीजिए सर, बाद में बात करूंगा. So ये क्या होता है, the products are there, but हमने आकर already we have been doing only B2B connectivity or we were doing in projects. So these are the products I would like to explore to come to the channel market, since you all are really connected with your particular industry. ये industry में आप solution दोगे, you can explore more business and add more revenue to yourself. इसमें क्या होता है, 4K content editing होता है, plus Thunderbolt connectivity है, 10 gigabyte port on board आता है, and the same product is scalable in future. Single box में आप 180 terabyte plus you can add up additional 200 terabyte. उसको और solution चाहिए, then you can give high end models. So media में तो data, you know, every fraction of second data increase होता है. So this would be another category where you can try to target the industry and create your opportunity. तो one more, my friend has recently gave a presentation of retail का, तो सारे retail के पास तो cameras are available. So again, that would be a biggest market for you to create a big बोलते हैं number of boxes, multiple. So बढ़ाने के लिए this would be another a big market where you can explore. So एक branches, multiple branches का data can be replicated on your head office on real time without any additional licenses. We have got those features available. Healthcare. Healthcare का एक समस्या किसी को कोई healthcare देखता है industry? Any partner who gives healthcare? एक समस्या बताइए सर उनकी. Patient data, exactly. तो अभी आप जैसे बोले कि multiple branches है, अभी near by जाते हैं, तो exactly that patient का data HIPPPA compliant करके ये होता है, that is electronic data. तो we have got inbuilt free applications available. ये application आप जाकर healthcare के customer को बताएंगे ना, तो it becomes easy business. It is it is available with us. मैं क्या बता रहा हूँ, ये सब already available है. Only अपन को जाके hit, we have to talk to the right people and get your sales closed. Simple. Education. Education again full data है. Now people are moving online now. सबके पास अपना अपना एक उनको shared premise storage दे देते हैं. ये तेरा chapters है, ये तेरा lessons है, homework करना है, update करना है. So again where you can create more business education department. Remote support are available, remote access are available, and all are secured now. So we also offer couple of VPN licenses available in our operating system. So ये one of the biggest industry. Is there any one brand which offers industrial product? Commercial तो सब देता है. Industrial? Any one brand from storage which offers industrial product? Exactly. So what is so unique? Industrial का क्या requirement होता है? What are the different requirements which an industrial department requires? Yes. Exactly. Biggest point होता है temperature वहाँ का, and it should be so rugged. So these are the two things where a commercial product doesn't comply over there. So QNAP has got a rugged product which works at 0 to 70 degree on papers. We commit that. तो उसके अंदर हाई परफॉर्मेंस चाहिए उनको. M.2 NVM, SATA SSDs are supported, and plus that particular model is scalable in future. So we have recently closed one order. This is a new product which we got, the BIZ. We worked with Hitachi Energy and we have closed one project. और ऐसे होते हैं जैसे बस टर्मिनल्स होते हैं या ट्रेन्स होते हैं. When they come to the terminal, the data has to be offloaded to that particular terminal. So in that particular industrial requirements, you can promote this particular product. So whatever may be the environment, the product would sustain for longer range. Minimum, yes, available 5 years warranty. Many people just sell QNAP as a box, storage bus, but we are not just a box. We are more than the box. It is an intelligent product. We have got diversified products available in our product line. All flash NAS drives are available. We have got AI based products. We have got enterprise model which support multiple OS, ZFS OS plus ext4 file system. Cloud based operating systems are available which we have not launched in India. And for media segment, we have got Thunderbolt specific models are available. And then multimedia segment ke liye we have got fanless NAS are available. So every single segment, the QNAP is there. So we are giving you a vast diversified portfolio where you can create an opportunity and position our product. Apart from that, we have got a strong lineup. So I'll be just running up. So एक कीवर्ड बताइए सर इसके अंदर, which other brands, मैं क्या generally क्या बताता हूँ, people don't put it on papers. इसमें मैंने लिखा है. Can anyone give a, yeah? Okay, one, next. Okay, okay, available है. हमारे 5 साल पुराने मॉडल्स में HDMI है. 1.5 साल से 2.5 GB ports available है. Dual HDMI available since last 3 years. Available. सब जानते हैं. सबका नंबर चाहिए होगा, आपको वापस बिजनेस के लिए आऊंगा. बताइए अनदर वन कीवर्ड. जरूर पक्का दूंगा सर. इंटेल तो स्टार्टिंग से. ओके, सो running out of time, I have one long-term availability. On writing, we are giving that this particular model will be available for next 8 years. When you have a big projects, you can position this particular range. 8 years on papers, and on the website it is available. So this is also another unique product which you have got. 18 bay plus 18 bay NAS है, 12 bay सामने है, बैक साइड पे 6 SSDs है, where you can create, works as a unified storage for you. And the major hit of our current product line, biggest enterprise model, 30 bay is available. And this particular model, front mein aap dekhoge, it comes with a 24 bay, and at the back you got a 6 SSD drives, and plus you can scale this particular, 6 slots are available at the behind. All are dual power supply, redundant power supply. Comes with 2 10G copper ports on board. Competition में नहीं है, इसलिए मैं stress कर रहा हूँ. And these particular boxes can be configured as a fiber channel for you. And this is essential where expansion, data keep on increasing it. You please add up your JBOD's expansion as and when your data gets increased. So you can connect 16 bay expansion unit, 16 numbers. So 256 hard drives can be added to your primary unit. So you can scale over 5 petabyte. So rich software features. So I'll just rush. Virtualization is supported. You can save a VM. You can run a VM from QNAP NAS app. BoxF, O365 license बेचते हैं आप सब लोग. So same user you can tell, if you purchase QNAP NAS, use this application, all your email data are stored for free without any additional cost. G Suite users, yes. Teams meeting जो भी होता है, वो data, वो particular session can be recorded freely with this free application. और Gmail का एक ये होता है कि 30 days के बाद आपका डेटा डिलीट हो जाता है, whereas in QNAP if you use BoxFA you can have all your data stored over here. So you can recover your data, you can have a snapshot facility to overcome your ransomware attack, and Hyper Data Protector, a last feature which helps you to take all VMs plus your Hyper-V data backup with a free application. These all are free, there is no additional license which is required. Data security is available, free VPNs are available, Marvel remover is available to protect all the data which are stored in QNAP. So this is all about, इसके अंदर और सारे features है, but due to the constraint of the time I could not explore more. So this is all about our product. That's it.
Thank you so much, Ameshji, for presentation. Let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for presenting QNAP over here in front of everybody. Now, looking forward for our next presenter, and that is Indio Networks Private Limited. And yes, finally, they would be coming there on the stage and presenting their stuff. Would like to introduce and tell you a little more about it. Indio Networks is an innovative technology company that provides advanced networking and connectivity solutions. Through their cutting-edge product and services, Indio Network enhances communication infrastructures, powering seamless and reliable connections for business and organizations. To present further, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Rishikesh Ghare, the founder and CEO of Indio Networks Private Limited, who will come forward and talk more about it. Yes, sir, please. Let's give him a big round of applause and let's hear it out from them.
I would like to invite Yugal also with me, if that's okay. So first of all, Sanjay bhai, I think Vikram has landed. I think हमारा जो चंद्रयान है, हम लोग लास्ट है तो अभी तो लैंड हो गया है, तो इसके बाद पार्टी शुरू हो जाएगी. Good evening. My name is Rishikesh Ghare. I am the founder and CEO of Indio Networks. With me is Yugal Pathak. He's a regional sales manager for Indio Networks. The theme in India at present is Atmanirbhar Bharat. And as a company, I can proudly say that we are one of the few companies who are really embracing the spirit of Made in India. Not just about building hardware, building an end-to-end solution in wireless and networking space is what we have been doing for last 18 years. All of a sudden, I think with our Prime Minister's vision, we are getting a lot of, after the COVID, there is a lot of boost and a lot of energy that we are seeing. And we are creating unique blend of products and solutions across wireless, networking, and IoT. So that as a company defines us. I'll try to take you through our journey, what we have done. हमारा ये है कि हमने बहुत काम किया है, लेकिन मार्केटिंग कम किया है. तो अभी थोड़ा कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग आपके सामने हमने जो काम किया है वो प्रेजेंट करें एंड लेट अस सी हाउ मीन्स आई वांट टू आल्सो वर्क विद लॉट ऑफ यू टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज आवर वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन. आई एम श्योर यू मेनी ऑफ यू वर्क इन वायरलेस नेटवर्किंग. बहुत ऑप्शंस भी है आपके पास, लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हमारे पास यूनिक है जो आप आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहते हैं. छोटी सी हिस्ट्री है, काफ़ी लोग नए हैं, कुछ लोग हमने ASIRT में 2018 में एक प्रेजेंटेशन दिया था और उस समय हमारा नाम वाईफाई सॉफ्ट था. और कोविड के बाद हमें लगा कि खाली वाईफाई नहीं है, हमारा DNA है इस कनेक्टिविटी, और कोई भी चीज़ की कनेक्टिविटी हो, ह्यूमंस हो या मशीन्स हो, हम उनको कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं. सो दैट इज़ हाउ वी डिफाइन अस एज अ कंपनी. वी आर एक्सपर्ट्स इन कनेक्टिविटी, वॉट एवर इट इज़. So as I mentioned to you, we are a 16 means यहाँ पे 16 है, but we have been in market for 18 years. अभी तक हमने millions of users को connect किया है every year, and more than 45 countries में हमारे products जा चुके हैं. Indian companies के हमारे products बाहर में install हुए हैं. हमारे resellers है, बाकी यहाँ पे भी है, हमारे distribution channel है, और हमारे काफ़ी सारे आपके members भी हमारे partners है, हमारे चैनल पार्टनर्स हैं. एंड वी वर जज्ड एज वन ऑफ द टॉप 3 वाईफाई हॉटस्पॉट्स कंपनीज बाय ए इंडिपेंडेंट US एजेंसी फ्यू इयर्स बैक. वाईफाई हॉटस्पॉट्स में जितना काम हमने किया, आई डोंट थिंक इंडिया में कोई किसी कंपनी ने किया, बिकॉज 2003 से मैं वाईफाई हॉटस्पॉट टेक्नोलॉजी में हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं. कहाँ पे हम लोग काम करते हैं? ज़्यादातर हम लोग ये मार्केट वर्टिकल्स है: हॉस्पिटैलिटी, एजुकेशन, हेल्थ केयर, ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड लॉजिस्टिक्स एंड स्मार्ट सिटी, स्मार्ट विलेजेस. जहाँ पे भी आपको रिलायबल कनेक्टिविटी सॉल्यूशंस लगेंगे, वहाँ पे हम लोग काम करते हैं. बेसिकली हॉस्पिटैलिटी में आप कोई भी रिजॉर्ट में जाओ, कोई भी, पहला हमारा चीज़ है वाईफाई कनेक्शन. मीन्स जहाँ पे भी आपको वाईफाई कनेक्शन लगेगा, आपको जहाँ पे भी कनेक्टिविटी सॉल्यूशंस लगेगा, वहाँ पे हम लोग काम करते हैं टुडे. Additionally, we are really proud to tell you that we have been one of the few companies in India who have been working internationally with several worldwide associations. Notably, एक wireless broadband alliance है, worldwide body है, उसके हम लोग members हैं. ये next generation technologies है, next generation standards है, उसको define करते हैं. And यहाँ पे एक telecom infra project नाम का एक project है, जहाँ पे अभी एक नया standard आ रहा है जिसको open Wi-Fi बोल रहे हैं. एंड इंडिया में खाली 2 ही कंपनीज है जो उसके एक्टिव मेंबर्स है, एंड वी आर रियली प्राउड टू से दैट वी आर वन ऑफ देम. ओपन वाईफाई जो है, इसमें आपको सिस्को का ग्रेड का जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स है, जो भी फीचर्स है, दे आर नाउ काइंड ऑफ ब्रिंग इट इनटू एन ओपन स्टैंडर्ड, जिसकी वजह से आप किसी का भी कंट्रोलर ले सकते हो और उसके साथ कोई भी वाईफाई एक्सेस पॉइंट्स को कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. देयर इज, आप जिसको वेंडर लॉक इन बोलते हो, तो वेंडर लॉक इन नहीं रहेगा. सो ये अभी बहुत सारे टेलीकॉम कंपनीज है, बहुत सारे बड़े सिस्टम इंटीग्रेटर्स है, दे आर फाइंडिंग दैट उनका ये जो वेंडर लॉक इन है उनको हटाना है. अगर आपने सिस्को लिया, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द कस्टमर्स अगर सिस्को लेते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली पूरा सिस्को का चला जाता है. जो नाउ पीपल आर रेजिस्टिंग दैट बिकॉज दे वांट मोर ओपन स्टैंडर्ड्स, एंड वी आर वन ऑफ द फ्यू कंपनीज व्हिच आर बिल्डिंग दिस टेक्नोलॉजी टुडे. ये हमारा काम दर्शाता है. काफ़ी काम किया हुआ है इंडिया में, लेकिन एडवर्टाइजमेंट कम किया है. बेसिकली ये बहुत सारे वर्टिकल्स है जहाँ पे हमने काम किया है. टेलीकॉम में काफ़ी काम किया है, जियो के साथ काम किया है, एयरटेल के साथ काम किया है, BSNL, MTNL के साथ काम किया है. बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स एग्जीक्यूट किए. अपनी मुंबई वाईफाई प्रोजेक्ट जो था, उसमें पूरा बैक एंड सिस्टम हम लोग चलाते थे. ऑल ऑफ ओयो होटल्स अक्रॉस इंडिया को पूरा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हमने प्रोवाइड किया हुआ है. जस्ट फ्यू एग्जांपल्स.
सर, एक चीज पूछना चाहूंगा, ये आपने ह्यूग्स एंड यूटेलसेक मेंशन किया है, इनके साथ आपने क्या काम किया है, क्योंकि ये सैटेलाइट ऑपरेटर्स हैं.
सो गुड क्वेश्चन. हमने हमारा जो एक प्रोडक्ट है जिसको हम लोग फेसबुक से हमने वो टेक ओवर किया हुआ है, जिसको फेसबुक का एक प्रोग्राम रहता था एक्सप्रेस वाईफाई, जहाँ पे वर्ल्ड के किसी भी कॉर्नर में आपको वाईफाई टेक्नोलॉजी और सैटेलाइट टेक्नोलॉजी को इंटीग्रेट करके हमने पूरा connectivity solutions बनाए. अभी Indian government is also opening up with something called VSAT technology, and we are one of the pioneers in building connectivity or providing connectivity to far-flung regions, ships पे, marines, oil rigs, and even in places like deserts of Peru और Amazon के रेन फॉरेस्ट के बीच में वाईफाई कनेक्टिविटी करने का काम हमने किया हुआ है यूजिंग दिस सैटेलाइट ऑपरेटर्स. सो दैट्स सम ऑफ द वर्क दैट वी हैव डन. इंडिया में ऑब्वियसली गवर्नमेंट का एक इनिशिएटिव है पीएम वानी. कुछ लोगों ने सुना होगा कि पीएम वानी से अपने जो 6 लाख विलेजेस है तो 6 लाख विलेजेस पे वाईफाई कनेक्टिविटी और हॉटस्पॉट्स कनेक्टिविटी करने का काम कर रहा है. बीबीएनएल और बीएसएनएल को काम करना है, उसमें भी हम लोग उनके टेक्नोलॉजी पार्टनर्स हैं.
So in short, access point with satellite modem.
This is what we impact every year. More than 25,000 access points get deployed. More than 10 million users are served every month. And हमारे काफ़ी सारे LT, I'll go about our product lines, but just wanted to show the amount of work that we have done over the years. This basically summarizes क्या करते हैं. All of these are made in India originally, right from scratch. पहला line of code to the end is all built in India, including the hardware. So आत्मनिर्भर भारत जो चल रहा है, जो movement चल रहा है, उसके हम लोग forerunners है उसमें. For example, there are hardly any companies today in India who are manufacturing managed switches. Switches manufacture बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं, लेकिन managed switches है वो बहुत कम companies है. And as you know that switches में अभी बहुत सारी opportunities for all of us basically, because Indian government is putting a lot of restrictions on our neighboring countries से import लेने के लिए because of obviously the security reasons. So there are a lot of great opportunities. We'll discuss about that in terms of switching.
एक और चीज जस्ट ऐड करना चाहूंगा. स्विचेस की जब सर बात कर रहे हैं तो स्पेसिफिकली क्या एडवांटेज है हमारे स्विचेस के साथ? दे आर क्लाउड मैनेज स्विचेस. जैसा कि आप मिराकी वगैरह में आप देखते हो तो वो फीचर हम हमारे स्विच में ऐड कर रहे हैं. तो ये वेरी सिलेक्टिव OEMs में अवेलेबल है.
Thank you. So I'll go through some of the.
Just one more point, sir, I wanted to ask. आपने यहाँ पे मेंशन किया IoT gateways. So IoT is a vast field. Can you just explain what we are doing into IoT?
So IoT, obviously, lot of big companies are already working in that. What we believe in is we need to have very properly engineered solutions for IoT. For example, यहाँ पे जो IoT gateway दिखा रहे हैं हम लोग, this is a universal modem हम लोग उसको बोलते हैं. Again, we are experts in connectivity. We don't work in sensors. We don't work in the actual cloud platforms. But main चीज़ है कि data जो आपका far flung regions में जो generate होता है उसको आप centrally या cloud पे कैसे लेके जाते हो जहाँ के आप process करना चाहते हो. So our USP is getting the data from anywhere in the world back to the cloud using some of these technologies. So we use wide variety of technologies there. We will use wherever it is required. We will use एक Sigfox नाम की technology है, Wi-Fi, 4G, 5G, various kind of technologies are integrated into this box to ensure you that the data, even आपका Modbus का data भी हम लोग उठा के हम लोग we can get it back to the cloud. So this particular gateway actually collects Modbus serial port data and puts it into the cloud efficiently. So that is what we do as a part of the connectivity solutions. हमारे साथ काफ़ी सारे partners associated हैं. So one of the base questions they ask us कि आपके साथ associate होने के बाद what is our revenue model? So our biggest revenue model is when people use our products and offer complete end-to-end managed services. So that is where I think a lot hotels ho, colleges ho, lot of SIs partner with us and they bank on us to provide all the end-to-end integration. So one of the biggest challenges most of the SIs and the partners face is how do you integrate all these platforms together? Classic question है, आप hotels में जाते हो तो आपके पास PMS systems रहते हैं, अलग अलग hotels के management systems रहते हैं, उनके साथ integration है. Hospitals में जाते हो तो आपके पास hospitals के management systems रहते हैं. So all of these need to be integrated, and there are very few companies in the world. In fact, we work directly with Ruckus, Aruba also, because they provide you just the hardware or the controllers. But putting this integration together is one of the biggest tasks for a lot of SIs. And that's where we excel in. That is our USP, because that is the hard work, that is the tricky work, and that is the work that most big OEMs, they fail to do. And that's where we kind of help a lot of our partners. There are a lot of challenges also we face on the way, because it's not an easy job. Every project is kind of a unique project for us, because there are a lot of different types of integrations. And sometimes we do have challenges, but I think as a company, we are your trusted partner to do a lot of these integrations. A lot of companies also use us as for managed services. So as a technology company, we have a lot of expertise in terms of building solutions, network designing, RF surveys or RF heat maps. A lot of those things people use us because of the expertise that we carry. So it's kind of, whenever you take up a project, कोई भी आपके partners हो, आप खुद हो, अगर एक project लेते हो, तो उसके लिए पूरा end-to-end solution करके आपको एक managed service कैसे customers को present करेंगे. That is where we kind of can help you out. I'll quickly go through just a quick introduction about what products lines we have. क्योंकि we have several different product SKUs. I don't want to get into the nitty-gritties of it, but majorly Wi-Fi access points, controllers, switches, 4G and 5G routers, and उसके लिए लगने वाला जो पूरा cloud end-to-end platforms, along with AAA and authentication systems. That is what we put together as a complete package for you. Access points में हमारे पास दोनों high grade के और low grade के access points available है. काफ़ी times आपके पास budget constraints रहते हैं, customers को बहुत सारे जाजी चीज़ें नहीं होती, available उनको चाहिए भी नहीं होती. मैं classic example बहुत लोगों को देता हूँ कि आप सब लोग एक high end iPhone लेते हो 1 लाख रुपए का, उसमें से अगर आप 4 ही features use करते हो और बाकी features use नहीं करते, तो you are basically wasting a lot of your resources. So we call it right sizing your product, and that is where we kind of specialize in. That if you have an access points which our customers required 4 or 5 features, they can get it with our community series or the hotspot series access points. आपको पूरा whole 9 yards चाहिए, so we have a solution for you. We don't constrain you, and that is where we kind of differentiate ourselves. Because if you go with certain brands, they will only provide you X things. They will not provide you support. They will not provide you this thing. They will be cheaper. And then there are the other ones. There's nothing in between that will help our partners. And that's where we kind of excel in. So I'll skip this. This is just a technical feature slide. जो भी Lion है, वो हम लोग end-to-end India में बनाते हैं, including the PCB. And this PCB is actually manufactured here. It's not just assembly nahi hai. We are actually building the design as well as the PCB in India, which is little bit audacious. I think I was talking to one of your members. बोल रहे आप बहुत audacious चीजें कर रहे हो, because it is very hard business. I know we are solving a hard problem, but I think a problem needs to be solved, and we are trying to solve as much as we can. So all these Lions are all fully Indian manufactured access points with Qualcomm chipsets that are getting assembled, including the software as well as the hardware is getting built here.
एक पॉइंट और मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगा इसमें. जो पार्टनर्स गवर्नमेंट के साथ बिजनेस करते हैं, वो जानते होंगे कि गवर्नमेंट के साथ बिजनेस करने के लिए जेम में कैटेगरीज होती हैं, क्लास 1, क्लास 2. सो क्लास 2 which is like below 20% or 20%. So all our products are class 1, which is more than 65%.
So इसमें आपको सबको पता है कि आजकल Wi-Fi 6 का ज़माना आ गया है. अगर अपने गवर्नमेंट अलाउ करता है तो अपने यहाँ Wi-Fi 6E भी आ जाएगा. And I was telling you that Wi-Fi 6 अगर आ गया, so our speeds of Wi-Fi are going to shoot up exponentially. हम लोग 10 gigs और above के speeds में बात करेंगे. और उसके लिए जो ports लगे, switches लगेंगे, वो भी हमें सब upgrade करना पड़ेगा. It's going to be a major revamp that we are going to expect in once the 6E standard gets in. So we are all, as a company, we are fully ready to adopt 6E. Already we have product lines which we are building 6E products. 6E, for those who are not aware, so far only 2.4 and 5 gigahertz bands are available. In 6E, the whole of 6 gigahertz band is available. So we are talking about really blazingly fast speeds that will be available in the future. So we are already, as a company, we are already investing our time in that. Just our both indoor and our outdoor access points at display. They are available in our booth below. You can come and please check it. ये प्रोडक्ट हमारा पिछले 18 साल से इंडस्ट्री को सर्व कर रहा है. We have one of our partners here, I think Elite Core, and it's something, lot of things similar here. We are having a AAA solution and a complete OSS BSS platform for managing wireless networks. All of this is obviously tri-DOT compliant. So let's not get into the features. The other most important aspect of any Wi-Fi network these days is इसको monetize कैसे किया जाएगा. And many of our partners and our customers are scratching their head that ये Wi-Fi network तो लगा दिया मैंने, इसको monetize कैसे करेंगे, क्योंकि बहुत सारी जगह वो free रहता है. So as a company, we have a special platform that we built just for monetizing our Wi-Fi networks. And more, we can tell you in more detail if you have a discussion with us, how do you end up monetizing these free Wi-Fi networks. The other important aspect which I was telling you about, this is where we really break out, is how do you do integration with multiple vendors. आपके पास क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल है कि आप एज ए SI और एज ए पार्टनर आप कहीं पे जाते हो और कस्टमर बोलता है कि मेरे पास एग्जिस्टिंग ये 10 मेरे पास 50 एक्सेस पॉइंट पड़े हुए हैं, मेरे पास ये स्विचेस पड़े हुए हैं, लेकिन मुझे इसको मैनेज करना है पूरे नेटवर्क को, मुझे इसको मॉनिटर करना है. हाउ डू यू सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम? And as a company, we are actually working with all these major Wi-Fi vendors, integrating their solutions into our platform to provide you a complete end-to-end solution. ये तो I think a lot of our partners have already used this product, जिसको एक network manager in a box बोल सकते हो. So this is a complete end-to-end product. We'll provide you the details of it later.
एक स्लाइड सर पीछे एक स्लाइड पे जाइए प्लीज.
नहीं, we will fine. Go through it. I think we are. Switches is another product that we are very, very positive about. I would like to talk to a lot of you about our PoE and non-PoE switches. They are all cloud managed and they are all PoE plus switches. Lastly, we have the 4G and 5G routers that we are building with a lot of different use cases. 4G aggregation, failover, SD-WAN functionalities, and many more. So in summary, I think I wanted to highlight that we are here as your partners for any kind of connectivity solutions. We will help you out. I think we are based in Pune, right at a calling distance from Mumbai for many of you, and we have a full support. I think one of the things that we are really ramping up this year is our support team to help you implement all these solutions. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much.